Hey guys, Liam here with another installation guide from NOAM Audio. Today we'll be looking at our soundbar and subwoofer kit, the NSB and the SUB.3. We'll also be looking at another iteration of this kit with the dual NSB, but we'll take a look at that later. Let's dive right in. Inside the SUB.3 box, you'll find two additional boxes. You'll find your BA1 amplifier and your LED driver. Here's everything you'll find inside of the SUB.3 box. You'll find the SUB.3 with 15 feet of wiring. You'll find these mounting brackets with a range of 1.5 to 2 inches. The wall mounts, smart handle, additional logo plate, the installation manuals for all these products, rocker switch, the aux to RCA cable, your LED driver with its compatible remote, and the BA1 amplifier. Here's what you'll find inside the NSB box. You'll find the NSB soundbar, installation manual, mounting brackets, screws, inserts, an Allen wrench, and a 9-foot power cable. Now let's show you how to connect everything together. We'll start with the NSB soundbar, and don't worry, it's a very user-friendly setup and anyone can do it. Start by attaching the lower bracket cover to the soundbar using the N8 short screws and washers. The NSB soundbar has 4 screw holes on top and 4 on the bottom, so you can use the most suitable one for your installation. Use the Allen wrench to tighten the screw on any 2 screw holes on the top or bottom of the soundbar. You have 2 sets of screws, 4 short screws and 4 long screws, as well as 2 sets of silicone pads. These will allow you to get the soundbar perfectly attached and secure to the bar. Place the soundbar where you'd like to mount and attach the bracket upper cover using the suitable screws and pads for your machine's bar size. First thing you're going to want to connect is the power to the soundbar. You're going to want to connect this directly to the battery. So you'll take the power cable, connect the red to the positive terminal and the black to the negative terminal. Take the other end of the cable and you plug it in to the 12-volt in on the soundbar. Next, you should connect the BA1 amplifier. This should also be connected directly to the battery. You connect it the exact same way. The red wire will go to the positive terminal of the battery, and the black wire will go to the negative terminal of the battery. The next thing that needs to be connected to power is the LED driver, and this will be connected the exact same way directly to the battery. Red wire to the positive terminal, black wire to the negative terminal. The BA1 amplifier and the LED driver both have blue remote wires. It's very important that the blue remote wires be connected to a non-constant 12-volt power source, such as a bus bar or accessory post. You do have the option of using the provided rocker switch. This is instead of connecting the blue remote wires to a non-constant 12-volt power source. In this case, you would take both blue remote wires and connect them to the third leg of the rocker switch using this extra plug. And then you use the power cables and connect them to the non-constant 12-volt power source so that the rocker switch only sees power when the ignition is turned on. Then you'll be able to control it by using the switch. Now that we have the power connected to all the equipment, we can integrate the SUB.3 to the NSB soundbar. We'll start by connecting the RCA cables of the aux to RCA to the RCA inputs of the amplifier. Next, you take the aux cable and you ensure to connect it to the aux output connection, not the aux input connection. Next, we're going to connect the SUB.3 to the BA1 amplifier. We're going to do so by first taking the red and black wires of the SUB and connecting it to the positive and negative connections of the amplifier. Black to the negative and red to the positive. Once those connections are secure, you take your LED connection and connect it to one of these LED plugs on the LED driver. Let me show you how we install the system on our machine. We have the BA1 and the LED driver installed on the firewall, as we recommend, so it can stay nice and dry with easy access to the battery. We installed the NSB soundbar and the NSB.3 on the back bar, so there's nice and easy access to this area as well. Once everything is connected and your machine is turned on, the NSB.3 will automatically turn on. Then you'll need to turn on your soundbar by pressing the power button.
Bluetooth mode.
You can tell that it's in Bluetooth mode when it's flashing a blue light, waiting for you to pair. Then all you do is simply look for the NOAM on your screen and connect. Let's go over the buttons and their functions. Short press on the power button will turn the soundbar on and off. Press and hold the main volume knob to disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth pairing. Short press on the main volume knob to pause and play music. Twist the knob to turn the volume up and down. Short press on the EQ button to change equalizer modes. Skip between tracks with the previous and next buttons. On USB mode, press and hold for 2 seconds. Short press on the light button to switch between light modes. Press the light button for 2 seconds to turn on and off the back white light. Scan the QR code on the user manual to download the LED Light app, which offers up to 100 different modes: color palette, music synchronization, different moods, and more. Now let's see how to connect 2 soundbars using the TWS connection. Turn both soundbars on to activate Bluetooth pairing mode. The LED light on the volume knob will be flashing blue. Connect to one of the soundbars using Bluetooth. Now, the main soundbar LED light will be solid blue. The second soundbar will still be flashing. Press and hold the M button on both soundbars to initiate the TWS connection. Wait for up to 30 seconds for the TWS connection to establish. Once established, the second soundbar's LED light will be solid blue just like the main soundbar. Now, both soundbars are in sync and controlled by your phone's Bluetooth. This setup only needs to be done once. The next time you turn on your soundbars, it will automatically connect to your phone and establish the TWS connection. Congratulations on being the proud owner of one of the most innovative soundbar kits on the market right now. Now you're set to go. You have your 2 soundbars and your NSB.3 connected. All you have to do is pick your favorite song and hit the trails. Thanks for watching.